Host. So today our topic is last 10 years of Pakistan has brought development or not development. So Mr. Kapil Mali is supporting that in last 10 years Pakistan has developed, and Mr. Laksh and Ikradars are supporting that in last 10 years Pakistan has not developed. So let's start the debate. Kapil, start from you.
So Pakistan Army defense means in the Pakistan training is very tough. That's why Pakistan Army training is very tough. That's why no countries come near, no challenge with us. So that means no enemy can come on our country.
Yeah, this is right. So any objection from you both?
Yeah. You said that Pakistan Army is so powerful and developed. So why molestation is increased and crime is increased in Pakistan day by day?
Yeah, this is also true. The crime rate is increasing day by day. So, is there any objection? What's your point of view?
So my objection is that crime is this is the crime. She says that in the Pakistani corruption and crimes, this is the fault of people. That why they are doing this work. This is the I know that this is the fault of the people, but we must control. That's what we must not corruption and.
Yeah. Any
No,
objection?
this is not fault of people. So why fault of people? They 4 years girls, 2 years girls. They have rapes cases. So why the army should not?
Objection is
I objection from Kapil. He say army is powerful. Why Kashmir is not in Pakistan? Army is powerful.
So, what's your opinion about it?
So I don't know. So my second one, Pakistan is second number in world for the online earning. That Pakistan is second number in. You see the list of earning of Pakistan in world. That Pakistan is second number that in earning. For example, of belong writing that this is the website. In this people are online earning. So this is the means Pakistan is developed.
Yeah, Kapil saying right that in long earning, Pakistan is second number. First number is India, and another is second number Pakistan. So this is the development of Pakistan, that they are earning a lot of money from this website. So what's your opinion about it?
Yeah, this is right. The Pakistan earning this websites. Why people join this websites? Because they have not work. They have free for in your home. So you do the websites.
So they are free. They are using the website. They are earning the money. It means they are development. They are being developed.
This is not developed. They have education system not developed.
So you want to say our Pakistan education system is not developed?
No.
So what's your opinion about it?
So I accept that people is free, but they are free, but they are using means development, more development of the Pakistan. Yes, it's right. Means increase day by day, increase of development of Pakistan is increased. So means people are free, but this is the benefit of Pakistan that people that they are earning the money.
So what's your opinion about it? Lakshmi?
Pakistan has not developed in every field like education, politics.
How Pakistan is not developed in education or in politics or in any field?
Pakistan in education many apps.
Because in 10 years they have the governments not properly focused in schools and teachers. They have many days teachers are absent. Their schools fan not work. Their schools generator not work. So how can children they come in school and they education?
So I want to repeat the point of Mr. Kapil Mali, that Kapil Mali have said that that Pakistan army is developed. Yeah, it's developed. Yeah, you have we have the example of Abhinandan. Abhinandan.
Please don't talk.
So what's your opinion?
So she says that Pakistan is decreased on education. Who says it's wrong that Pakistan is day by day increase in education, like the making a college, schools and universities, and in this you and I and we are in the schools. How this is development in your dream and my dream, that doctor, engineer, etc. So that means we are dream and we are developing our life. So means we are more development for our
Yeah,
Pakistan.
you have the example of Punjab. How many universities are contributed in these 10 years? At least more than 200 universities are contributed in Punjab in these 2 years, 10 years.
Like more rich peoples.
No,
have
they are
really,
government universities. They are government
From
universities.
government.
Government universities.
government.
And greenness also has increased.
But you say that all Pakistan, not only one Suba, the Sindh, only in the Sindh.
We are talking about all Pakistan. Punjab is also part of Pakistan.
Part of Pakistan, but all of Pakistan, not the education system is powerful.
How can you say that? Okay, look, what?
In Sindh province, education destroys. Many people take money and increase marks in board exams. Why?
Kapil is saying right that in board exam, and the people who do more struggle, they are not getting good marks. But the people who are rich, who are giving money, they are getting the more marks, the higher marks, they even grades. What's your opinion?
All people, no, some people, they are don't study and they are don't hard work. That's why they are cheating and they are in the board. So it means some people, not all people.
So what's your opinion, sir?
So this is right that some people they why they allow Pakistan government, why they allow cheating.
Okay, why Pakistan board, Sindh board is allowing the student to teach cheating?
Sindh board is not allowing to cheating. It's wrong. This is the fault of people that people is cheating or not.
Okay, the peoples are cheating. He's saying that it's not fault of Sindh government. The people who are sitting in that test, who are sitting in that exam, they are cheating. So,
Yes, Laksh.
If the students who cheat, the teachers allow him. Why teacher allow him?
what's your opinion?
Last point now. Last.
So teacher allows that they are doing their work and the last student they are cheating. So it's problem of students, not the teacher. If their teacher is doing their work and last benches students are cheating, so it's wrong.
No, I think that in 10 years, I think that in 10 years no progress have been Pakistan made. Why?
How can you say that in last 10 years there is no progress? There is development, that means there are universities, in agriculture, in GDP. There a lot of development has been occurred in last 10 years.
Day by day is increase.
What?
Then no, you said Pakistan peoples are responsible.
So, Mr. Laksh, what's your opinion?
In the third week of March, Pakistani authorities projected at GDP loss of PKR 1.3 trillion due to supply shocks, suspension of operations of service and manufacturing industries.
So, he's saying that there's loss of justice in Pakistan.
Means claim for that money.